Hello everyone, after a longer time, uh, it's me here again with a new update with DIMO Rewards. So I will tell you how much I earned in the last month and a half. So you can see on the last 5 Mondays, I got on December 16, I got 12.78, December 23rd 12.39, December 30, 12.30, January 6, 12.01, and on January 13th, so yesterday, I got 11.66. So you can see that the rewards are lower each week. So it really depends on how many new devices join, so we can expect further decrease in rewards. I'm still on level just level 2. I have a streak of 15 weeks, and I just need 6 weeks until next level, where I guess the rewards will be probably double. But we'll see what will happen. For now, I expect lower rewards every week, because every day there are new devices, and that's how the rewards decrease. See you in my next video. If you want to use my code and get 50 DIMO, you can use register before adding a vehicle. You just type the code and you'll get, after 4 weeks, 50 DIMO, and that's that. See you next time. Bye bye.